So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can sign up for the Poseidon Airdrop and start earning rewards ASAP, okay? So you can see here on the page, Poseidon lets you earn rewards by fueling AI with high-quality human data. And the app is live and you can earn Poseidon Points from time to time and also partner rewards for contributing audio and inviting friends, okay? So we'll get to that right away. Now check in the description below for my referral link. Alright, and this is the landing page, okay? Welcome to Poseidon. So first of all, you click agree to this and then get started. Now you'll be prompted to sign in with either your email, that's the one you get, a code in your email, or to use Google directly. I'll just use Google. Alright, and just like that, we've successfully signed in. So as you can see, turn your voice into valuable AI training data, okay? License your content to AI companies to help them power the distribution of learning. Let's see the next one. Sorry, let's go back. So your recordings help AI speech technology type shit. So click on skip. Let's create your voice profile. So here you're about to record an audio sample that will be used to create and refine your unique voice profile, okay? So first of all, you have to allow your microphone access. So we've granted access to our browser, okay, microphone access. And the next part is they'll ask you to read out some phrases aloud, okay? So as you can see, please read the phrase clearly and naturally into your microphone, okay? So click on start recording. Alright guys, so with that we've successfully given them our voice sample, okay? So note that these phrases may be different for everybody, alright? The same phrases I got are not the same phrases you possibly get. So it's just a normal thing, alright? So now, uploading files, saving profile, good. Voice profile complete. The glowing blah blah blah. Alright, and we've successfully registered our profile, okay, our voice profile. So here are campaigns you can participate in, okay? Like you can see here, English, Korean, Marathi, Urdu, Arabic. These are different languages you can actually participate in, and the way you earn here is you go there. The same thing we did here as we were registering our voice sample, we do it too, but in different languages, okay? So if you can speak Korean, you join the Korean campaign and do that, and then you gain points. All right, let's just do the English campaign just to show you how it's done. All right, so you can see here, English voice data campaign, time required 1 to 2 minutes, points 50, and it's active, okay? So help democratize AI technology by sharing your English voice, rebuilding diverse voice data sets to ensure AI system work equally well for speakers of all languages and accents, okay? So this is just to get data for AI to work, right? So click on start campaign. Here is everything you need to know. Speak audibly, speak naturally, use your microphone, and low quality may pause your account. So make sure you're speaking well into your microphone so that it will register your voice, okay? So click on I'm ready. And here we go, we're about to start. Read this text for at least 10 seconds to finish the campaign. So when we start, it's actually finish by itself, or we're about to find out, okay? So click on start. Alright guys, so that is how you can record your voice on the website. Now unfortunately you couldn't hear me recording my voice because my browser was using my microphone, okay? But you will have to read out the text that was given to you. Of course, make sure you're audible, and here you can preview to check whether your voice is loud enough and clear enough. Now if it's not loud enough and clear enough, you can now click on retry to do it again, okay? So when you're sure that you have gotten the perfect recording, click on submit recording. So here you can see your profile settings and FAQ, and this is your profile, okay? So as you can see, when you make a recording, immediately just make a recording, you earn 25 points, and that's just what we just earned here right now, okay? 25 points ASAP. Now when the recording is reviewed and approved, you earn an additional 50 points, okay? Now these points may vary, or they usually vary from recording depending on the language. So now if you look at a language like Korean, you notice that the point reward is different. If you're able to speak Korean correctly, okay, you can actually earn 250 points with a single approved recording. But here in English, you're just earning 50 points, okay? So it differs from language to language, right? So you can also tweak around some things in the settings. This is where you can enter your name, your gender, nationality, birth year, and stuff like that, all right? So this is pretty much everything about the Poseidon Airdrop. Now I'll leave my referral link down in the description below. Endeavor to join this as soon as possible, and if there's any updates to this, I will be dropping that on my X and here on YouTube. So endeavor to subscribe and hit the notification bell so I don't miss out on that, okay? I'll see you guys around. Peace.